Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Have you ever felt so tired of working a day job because of a living? Not enough time to use? Or feeling stressed because you know that once you lose your job, you lose the financial stability? Or you realize that your day job is location restricted and wastes lots of time commuting? And wonder if there is another way to make money as well? If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place. Keep watching this video until the end because today we are going to share 7 passive income ideas to help you make money. In this video, you are expected to know the first one, what passive income means. Number 2, why passive income is important. And the third one, how passive income works and how you can benefit yourself from making passive income. Before kicking off, if you believe that you can become rich someday, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. Firstly, let's define what passive income means. Any revenue that requires a few hours less than your day job working hours to no ongoing work to sustain is passive income. It's a way to earn money while you are not actively working, and it can come from various sources. You may be wondering why passive income is important. Well, there are 2 reasons. Firstly, it can provide a steady income even when you are not actively working. This can be especially useful if you are retired or unemployed. Secondly, passive income can help you build financial security and independence. It can allow you to pursue your passions or travel the world without worrying about how you pay your bills. You may ask, how can I start making passive income? Here are 7 ideas to get you started. The first one, create a YouTube channel. If you enjoy creating content and have a knack for video production, consider starting a YouTube channel. There's no huge financial upfront cost. All you need is a computer and Wi-Fi. You can monetize your channel by running ads and earning a share of the revenue from YouTube AdSense. Just find any topic that is already the talk of the town or the niche you feel interested in, figure out how to make that happen, and get started. Just do it. You may ask a series of questions as below. How to find a limitless topic and publish videos on YouTube? Or what if I'm a beginner and don't know how to make money online through YouTube? What should I do? Or how to get more views to meet the monetized requirements and make money through YouTube? Or what if currently I have a YouTube channel but I'm struggling with the editing part? For example, wasting lots of time to find copyright-free photos, select which one is better and group them to make a video. Or what if I want to discover more about how things work within specific niche? If you have either one of these 5 problems, then feel free to click the link down below at the end of this video. You can find the resource and tool that absolutely can help you. Number 2, invest in dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is an excellent strategy to generate passive income. Dividend-paying stocks provide regular income through dividends, a percentage of the company's earnings or profits. Investing in stock that pays dividends allows you a steady stream of passive income without actively working for it. When investing in dividend-paying stocks, it is essential to research the companies you are considering investing in to ensure they have a solid history of paying dividends and a good track record of financial stability. Additionally, it is crucial to diversify your stock portfolio so that you are not overly invested in any one sector or industry. Number 3, Create an online course or ebook. Creating an online course or ebook is a great way to make passive income. Whether you have expertise in a particular subject or a skill that you can teach, an online course is a perfect way to make money and add income to your portfolio. Not only will you make money by selling the course, but you can also charge for additional materials and services related to this course. Plus, once you've created the course, it's always there for anyone to purchase, giving you the potential to make money apart from the work for years to come. Creating an online course or ebook allows you to make passive income with minimal effort and scale your business quickly. If you have an idea for an online course or ebook, creating and selling one is easier than ever. With platforms like Udemy or Teachable, you can easily create a perfection-looking course with minimal effort. You don't need to worry about hosting, payments, or marketing. These platforms take care of all that for you, so all you need to focus on is creating high-quality content. When it comes to pricing your course, it's best to do some research into what similar courses are being sold for. Additionally, keep in mind any particular features or resources you provide in your course and price accordingly. Make sure you give your customers good value for the money and that they feel the course is worth the price. Before going to the fourth passive income idea, if you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the subscribe button and the like button. Number 4, affiliate marketing. The best aspect of affiliate marketing is that it is visible leisurely and at your own pace. All you need is an affiliate link, some products or services you believe in, and creativity. Also, you can make a side income without wasting your time creating your product from scratch. Instead, you just need to promote others' products by using your affiliate link, and once you succeed, then you can get a commission. You may ask, how much can I earn with affiliate marketing? Well, it depends, because some affiliates offer a better rate, 40% to 75%, while others offer a lower rate, below 40%. You may also ask, how can I get my payment? With a platform like ClickFunnels, you can easily collect payments with automation, even while you are sleeping. You don't need to worry about payments, coding, or graphic design. It takes care of all that for you, so all you need to focus on is creating the bridge and giving value to your customers. If you are interested in knowing more info about ClickFunnels, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Number 5. Sell digital products on Amazon. Selling digital products on platforms like Amazon will be one of the most popular passive income strategies. Selling products on Amazon allows you to make money without actively participating in sales. Within Amazon, you can sell digital products like music, videos, or ebooks. One of the advantages of selling on Amazon is that they have over 240 million customers globally, making it easier for your products to be discovered. Furthermore, optimize your product descriptions on Amazon by using search engine optimization so that customers can easily find what they are looking for. In short, you can earn money by selling digital products on Amazon. A quality product and a well-planned marketing strategy are crucial to success. Number 6. Airbnb. Renting out a room or your entire home might be an excellent method to generate passive income. Airbnb is one of the most popular platforms for doing so. You can use Airbnb's platform to run promotions, attract more guests, and increase your rental income. With Airbnb rentals, you can make money while enjoying the convenience of having someone else rent out your space. Whether you have an extra bedroom or an entire house that you can rent, Airbnb allows you to make money with minimal effort. On average, if you choose to rent out your room, then you can earn $924 per month as an extra income. Number 7. Buy and hold rental properties. If you want to have passive income, buying and holding rental homes is a fantastic alternative. One of the main advantages of this strategy is that you can build up equity over time through appreciation and pay down the mortgage. In addition, rental income is typically more consistent than other types of investments, and you don't have to be actively involved in managing the property. Besides, consider putting your money into a REIT. A real estate investment trust is a company that invests in and oversees residential and commercial properties to make a profit. Investing in a real estate investment trust is a great way to take advantage of rental revenue and other passive income sources. Overall, buying and holding rental property is one of the best strategies for generating passive income. Although it requires a significant upfront investment and ongoing expenses, it also offers great potential rewards in capital appreciation, rental income, and tax deductions. If you want to discover how to make money online to earn more income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about The Rich, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.